So it's pouring in Vegas. And you already know I gotta go have some fun. We're gonna make our way down to the river. Follow along.
You know I like my chicken fried, and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.
Welcome to the Las Vegas River. Every time Vegas gets more than 1 inch of rain, this river turns into raging rapids.
And that's home, you know, sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine.
The river runs right through the Link Hotel, formerly known as Imperial Palace. Have you been?
And a little bit of chicken fried.